those religions are in the same place and allowed to worship freely. For too long, there has been confusion about which communities are allowed to amplify their calls to prayer. Today, we are cutting red tape and saying clearly, if you are a mosque or a house of worship of any kind, you do not have to apply for a permit to amplify your call to Friday prayer.
Spokesperson for the Al-Khoy Foundation.
Thank you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. I'd like to begin by congratulating Brother Eric Adams for making this historic and groundbreaking announcement today. Adhan, as it literally means an announcement, is not just a call for prayers. It is also a declaration that a mosque is not a closed space. It's an open space. And it is a sanctuary for everyone, regardless of what religion, creed, ethnicity, race, or orientation that they belong to. It is an open space and everyone is welcome. Finally, the call for La ilaha illallah, Muhammadun Rasulullah, Aliyan Waliullah, and Hayya ala Khairul Amal is going to echo on the streets of New York. Mr. Mayor, we are eternally grateful for you for having made this announcement. May Allah protect New York City, and may Allah bless America. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.